Ladies and gentlemen, the 1963 Dodge Motorhome is what happens when mid-century optimism meets pure mechanical charm. A fiberglass dream on wheels that looks ready to pull up beside a lake and play Sinatra from a portable radio. When I first saw it, I thought, if mint ice cream and chrome had a baby, this would be it. And you know what? I think that's exactly what makes this turquoise and white beauty such a standout. Now this 26-foot, 7.9-meter rig is powered by a 318 cubic inch, 5.2-liter V8 that pumps out a respectable 200 horsepower. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. No fancy all-wheel systems here, just raw, old-school grunt. I believe what I liked the most is how confidently it moves, considering it's older than most of my tools. The 17.5-inch white steel wheels, wrapped in fresh 215/75 Supermax HF1 tires, give it a solid stance. And yes, drum brakes all around. You don't just stop this beast, you negotiate with it. The exterior's a nostalgic delight. Turquoise body, white roof, dual air horns, a rear ladder, and a duotherm roof-mounted air conditioner. That probably makes more noise than cool air, but we love it anyway. It even has shore power and water connections, because this was built for people who wanted adventure with plumbing. Inside, it's pure 60s Americana. Turquoise cloth seats, wood grain flooring, and aluminum trim set the mood. The dashboard has push-button transmission controls, something that looks cool enough to make a spaceship jealous. There's also a Sony CD stereo, because someone decided to mix decades, and honestly, I approve. The odometer shows just 15,000 miles, 24,000 kilometers, though I think the true number's anyone's guess. Step into the living area, and it's like entering a time capsule. A twin bed in the back, a convertible dinette, and a cozy sitting area. It's got a furnace, ceiling vents, power outlets, and even a 6,600-watt Generac remote start generator. I think my favorite part is that kitchenette. Molded fiberglass counters, a 3-burner gas stove, Dometic fridge, double-basin sink, and enough storage to hide from your in-laws for a weekend. And yes, there's a wet bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. Because even in 1963, Dodge knew camping didn't have to mean suffering. This one sold for $37,000, around 34,800 euros. Not bad for a machine that's still turning heads at every campground. Manufactured by Frank Motorhome Inc., later known as Travco, this was a pioneer in fiberglass-bodied motorhomes. Simple, stylish, and built tough enough to survive 6 decades of road trips and questionable campfire cooking. And before I hit the road, if you enjoyed this ride through time, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1.